Hello everyone and happy Monday. It is a pretty chilly fall day here on the lot, but it's the start of November, so that means Thanksgiving and then Christmas is coming up, so I am definitely excited for the holidays. Today we're going to take a look at this Passport SL, the 189 RB. It actually comes in weighing at 4,670 pounds with a tip-to-tip length of 22 feet 9 inches. This is just a really cute couples coach, rear bath floor plan, so you have a lot of extra space there in that bathroom. So here on the outside, you got your power tongue jack. All you have to do is just press a button and it does the work for you. So it's very user-friendly. You also have this utility light so you can kind of see what you're doing even if you get to the campground while it's still dark outside. Couple propane tanks just behind there, which is really nice. You also have a spot for your battery. Nice, smooth front cap and siding. You also have diamond plating at the bottom of that front cap to just help protect it. And you have some pass-through storage, so you can have extra camping gear in here. Maybe you might not have room for inside the coach. Maybe even a bike could fit in here, or just beach gear, anything really, toolbox. Power awning that stretches most of the way across to relax underneath. And this is a 2022 model, so you do have the solar panels on top. Friction hinge door with a screen, so if you have a pet coming along with you, they can be able to look outside still or get a nice breeze. You also have the extended season camping with this coach. Power as well as satellite and cable, so you can have a TV setup out here if you would like, or even plug in a small appliance, blender, coffee maker, things like that. Moving along, thought I left it open. You have an outside fridge, a mini one. So you have your mini fridge, you can put beverages in there or snacks. And then you also have a couple burners just below that. Outside speakers, a ladder. So this is great for climbing up and just keeping up on your roof and slide out maintenance, checking for sticks and other type of debris before taking off, and just really making sure you're doing your rounds with your camper maintenance. Spare tire. One slide out here on your non-camping side. And then the other part of your pass-through storage is where all of your hookups and stuff are at. So since this is solar, you do have the light on because it's not plugged in, so pretty nice. This is also where you can extend and retract those power stabilizer jacks. Your multi-source signal controller for your Key TV, outside shower with hot and cold water. It actually comes with this hose, so you can extend it out, even rinse off your sandy legs or just rinsing some outside dishes, things like that. Fresh and city water connection, and this is also where you can hide your tubes, so you are able to close this door and keep things very nice and neat. It also is a slam latch door. So now let's take a peek at the inside. All right, so as soon as we come in to my right, we have our Murphy style bed. So this doubles as your living room / your bedroom. So it is in the put away position right now. As you can see, you really can take advantage of that sofa. You also have a couple drawers underneath, so some additional storage. Your clothes can go there. End tables are on both sides. The one on the left is a little bit longer just because you have this extra drawer space. And then on both sides, if you can see, you have power outlets and USB ports. Above each nightstand is a closet locker for your clothes. And then this does fold down really easily. All you have to do is just pull the bottom portion of the couch, unlatch your queen size mattress, and then it just folds down. So if you do have guests over, you can put it away, or you can just leave it down all the time if you would like. You even have this kind of privacy curtain so someone can sleep in while the other person kind of starts their day. Across from your sofa, you have kind of some storage underneath your kitchen space, so you can use it for whatever you'd like, kitchen utensils, things like that. And even right here, you have access to it from the other side as well. So this is like a pass-through cabinet entrance. Moving along, extended countertop space for extra food prep, stainless steel sink with a pull-down spray nozzle, black matte finish, which is my favorite. And then you also have this power outlet that you can use for small appliances. Really large window there on the back, and even more storage down below. 3 burner top stove with this glass cover. So you fold it up like so, and it actually doubles as a backsplash. So if you're cooking something that splatters, soup, bacon, stir fry, you can easily just wipe that off. And there's your oven. Big jumbo pots and pans drawer. And then just up above is your range hood, microwave, and a TV that swivels out so you can change the position of it to be able to watch it from your bedroom space too. Across from there, you have very comfortable theater reclining seats, built-in cup holders, and you also have this table that you're able to connect right there so you can eat and watch TV at the same time. Remote control storage. End tables on both sides for decorations or other knickknacks. Place your personal belongings there. And then turning back around, we have more storage. So you can use this for your clothes, for pantry space, put some extra pillows and blankets in there, open shelving storage down there. And you also have a power outlet and USB port, so you can kind of use that extension cord to charge your phone. Here's your refrigerator, stainless steel. And then finally coming into this huge rear bath. Look how nice and bright it is because you have this window. And don't worry, you have a shade. But you also have this skylight too and the vent fan. So you just have a lot of natural light coming in here. To my right, you have your stand-up shower. Plenty of room to turn around in. And you have this really neat coiled shower door. So you don't have to have a shower curtain hanging off, getting water on the floor, or anything like that. It's nicely coiled up and tucked away, but you can easily latch it when you need to use it. And then right in the middle, you have your porcelain foot flush toilet. Lots of leg space too. And then to my left, you have your sink. And look how far back the counter space goes. So you can have decorations there, you know, put extra toiletries and stuff. Double vanity as well. Plus, you have a couple outlets to charge your, you know, electric toothbrush, blow dryer, anything that you want, really. But there you have it. Any questions or concerns about this unit, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.